got the 7mm bolt out. You got the
fancy
clip back there, and the TCM should pop out. Okay, see?
Look at that.
Through the magic of video, she pops straight out. So in this clip, you got a little. Yep, there you go. She pulls straight down. Look at that.
Wow.
Yeah. So there's your TCM in all its glory. Yep. Screwdriver drawer. Screwdriver drawer.
Camera angle by
The magic of TV. So we are looking for 9, 11, and 78. Should be numbers on them, right?
Yep. 9. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So
Right?
is that
1,
black?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Black and white. Which one?
11.
10, 11. So black and white, orange and black. 2 wires.
78.
78. Let's see, 61. Alrighty, so the first stage here, looping through the firewall, because I don't like crap on my back. We're gonna pull out the floor mat. That's what we do with that. So, there's one hole through this firewall, and hopefully on most of you guys' trucks, I'm sure there's a lot of crap shoved through them already. It's right here. So, I'm gonna twist our wires together, shove her through, and hope she comes out the other side.
There she is.
There she is. Now, because Alex likes things nice and neat, we're gonna find a nice path for this wire to go through. And get her right up through here. And loop her down through here. One thing though, do not forget, shove it through this little plastic cover, or you'll find yourself taking this all apart
After you get it all set up.
over again. After you go to put it back together.
So now we're wrapping up the wire. We just soldered the wires. We're gonna wrap them up in tape. Get a good shot here.
Empty. Look at that, easy as can be. About ready to clip in. Perfect. Look at that. Handy dandy little TCM back in here. So, we got it through the firewall. Everything is all tied in, soldered together. Now, we just got to figure out how we're gonna mount her right there.
So we got this nice bracket. we made up, custom, and we're gonna mount it
Right there.
right about like that.
Should be pretty mint.
So we just used some, what is that, 1/8 inch plate steel,
16.
16th inch steel.
Drill the new hole through here. Put our bracket on.
Looks pretty good.
Little couple ugly duggos.
Just zip tie this wire up and we should be all set. So here's the finished product. We did put some wire loom on it just to kind of clean it up, but that's the finished product. All set for sled pulling. Get 100% of that converter power straight to it when we want, and we'll just slap the converter into lock-in straight up when we need it. So